Hi everyone, I'm Pritz with Newmar, and I'm really excited to walk you through our Grand Star 3940 for 2026. This is one of our brand new product lines for our Newmar lineup, and I want to show you this Grand Star built on the S2 RV chassis with 360 horsepower and a 12,000 pound towing hitch. What you're going to see here is our optioned in Onyx package. You're going to have your blacked out racing tires. You're going to have your mirrors all blacked out. You're going to have blacked out handles, and you're also going to have your blacked out baggage trim throughout. Some really cool features on this Grand Star is going to be a standard exterior entertainment system. This is going to come with a Samsung TV with a matching Bose soundbar. So if you want to watch the big game, hook up your music to a Bose soundbar, this is a great place to do that. Additionally, you're going to have our well-known Newmar exterior graphics. You have multiple to choose from for 2026. That's going to come with our cut and buff, which is our smooth lines as you go down that finish, along with our clear coat through and through. As I mentioned, this is going to be the 3940 bunk model. So this is going to be a bunk floor plan. So as you see here, which we'll take a look inside, they're going to be your midship bunks. So it's great for the family with a full bath right there in the middle across for the kids. Our Grand Star is truly family oriented. It's for anyone that loves long adventures and outdoor enthusiasts. A couple of things to keep in mind with this is we have a brand new Victron inverter. So what that means is it's going to be more efficient and more effective for you as a customer, and it's going to be less warranty dollars on your end because you're going to replace that fewer times for you. Additionally, we have a new optional solar panel, which is 120 watts from Merlin. What that's going to give you guys as a benefit is going to be 20% more efficient in shaded areas. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of this 3940. Making our way inside the 3940 Grand Star, what you're going to see first and foremost is our brand new cabinet color. This is going to be our Cove cabinet color of the matte finish. It was really demanded to have a little bit more of a wood grain look throughout, which you're going to see here. Additionally, you're going to see one of our three options for decor. This is your stow decor, so you're going to see that in your fabrics, your furniture, your bedding, and so on and so forth. One of the cool features here is going to be an over cab bunk here. So like I said, this is made for families and long hauls. This bed is going to be equipped for 1 or 2 individuals. You're going to have 110 and USB outlets up here. And what's really nice too is you're also going to have AC inducting up here as well to keep you nice and cool and comfortable. As you can see here, this might be a tight fit to get underneath, but don't worry. You can just go ahead and simply lift this up. That can stay up, and you can actually drive down the road with this up if you choose to do so. We've done rigorous testings where that will not move or jiggle for you. Right up here you have this again on the Freightliner S2 RV chassis. You have your front driver and passenger seats with plenty of legroom. Additionally, you have a Sony 10-inch dash radio up front as well. Making our way over here, you have your televator up as well as your dinette here. You also have your theater seats that are optioned in on this door side. So you have your 2 cup holders. You have a really nice center console here that's new for 2026, as well as some USB ports that can come up with some wirings throughout with additional storage. Let's go ahead and continue down here. What you have here midship is going to be a really nice pantry. You're also going to have the optioned in washer and dryer. If you choose not to have this, it'll just be a really nice large ward for you. These are completely adjustable and lockable, so they won't move as you're going down the road. And right across from that is your large functional galley. As you can see, you have a really nice angled kitchen here with some additional counter space, whether that's to cook, entertain, maybe put a nice little charcuterie board for the kids to snack on. You have your large undermounted sink. That is one large sink for you, so you can fit all your pots and pans in there. You have a really nice kitchen window. Really pretty new backsplashes for 2026. As you can see, you have an all-electric induction cooktop. That is an option for the Grand Star. It does not come standard. But with that all-electric, you get the induction cooktop and hydronic heating throughout. As well, you're going to see the tile flooring here. This is also going to come with our new woven contemporary material that replaces all carpeting in all of our brands throughout, not just the Grand Star, which is really great. You also have your residential appliances from your Whirlpool microwave to your Whirlpool refrigerator right here. One of the biggest features of this floor plan, again, is our bunks. So not only do you have 2 midship bunks here, as I pointed out earlier, you have that bunk over the cab as well. So again, great for guests, great for families, and great for long hauls. Right here across from that is going to be your full bath. So your kids and you guys can enjoy this. It's a really large space with a nice shower head with a skylight up there. You also have that single vanity sink with tons of cabinet and storage space. As you make your way into the master bedroom here, you have a large and spacious king bed. Again, this is going to be one of our brand new decor packages for the Grand Star under Stowe. You're going to have that new cove cabinet color along with your vented windows on each side for a really nice breeze in the middle of the evening. Across from that, again, you have ample walking space here, but you have a really nice pretty ward and dressers. These can be opened up for some his and hers closet space. You have your hanging rods as well as some 110 outlets. You have a standard Samsung TV, so you can enjoy a nice movie or your favorite show. And just below, you have your drawers. This is a Newmar exclusive, so as you can see, this is fully extendable. So it's ease of access and use, and you don't have to worry about trying to squeeze all that into there as you're getting underneath the ward. But as always, I'm Megan Pritz, and this is our Grand Star 3940. This is our bunk model with your full bath in the midship. If you have any questions about this brand new 2026 product, reach out to one of our Newmar dealers or us. We're happy to help. I'll see you next time.